Hi folks, prayer of the woods. I am the heat of your hearth on the cold winter nights, the friendly shade screening you from the summer sun. And my fruit are refreshing draughts, quenching your thirst as you journey on. I am the beam that holds your house, the board of your table, where the only beam is a flashlight that we have, several of them actually. We are out, we normally don't disclose locations, but we're at Hillsborough River State Park. There was a BFRO investigated sighting on this trail complex. Kevin and I are out here and it's about midnight. And we're camping, but we're going in there and we're gonna try to find something. We're doing what other people haven't done or won't do. And we're doing a real Bigfoot investigation tonight. And I'm excited about this. But anyway, ready to proceed?
Let's move it on in.
Let's do it. You have your light?
Yep, I'm ready to go.
All right, here, give me that. Whoa! This area should take us out to the only, whoa. It's moving out there. What do you think, Kevin? Boar?
Yeah, it was something.
Yeah. Some kind of a pig. We're heading out towards what would be the only grade rapids in the state of Florida, which there's no elevation in Florida. The fact that it's here is remarkable. Okay, damn.
You battery power?
No, I just switched the setting. There we go. I didn't realize you had it on full blast. May as well leave it on full blast. Kevin.
Yeah.
You've never been on this trail before?
Never before.
Look at you.
Didn't seem very large. But it could have been something large that took one step.
All right, I got mine on low setting. Whoa, I shine. I thought.
Can I shine?
No, I thought. Nothing, don't worry about it. I should have brought that thermal. Keep going ahead, Kevin. We're in more of a lights out situation right now. Trying to keep it. Kevin's got his flashlight off, just like I am right now. Okay, we are off. We're completely dark. Okay. We're now on minimal light.
A truck? Car?
Wait a minute, you hear something?
Car? Frogs? What the hell is that?
No, that's nothing. That is loud. And it's in the distance.
Way in the distance.
That's nothing anything makes with a 10 mile per hour speed limit. Okay. Let's continue on.
What's that one?
That's the back part of that loop trail. Take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footprints. That's Jeb Bush. That was his saying when he established the state park program here. Jeb Bush will probably be the next president of the United States.
God help us.
No, that's who you want.
No, it's not real.
You do not want bitch broad.
I don't want
If
any...
bitch broad becomes president, God help us all.
Oh, God, yeah, I don't want any of those sons of bitches. Thank you.
Shh. Listen. You
hear
hear?
it?
You hear the rapids?
I hear it.
You hear them? You're a canoeist. You should be elated. Wow. You hear that?
I do hear that.
Something that sounded like howling. You hear that? Could have been coming off 301.
Yeah, definitely.
You think that's what it is? Okay.
That is, yeah.
301 is a state road nearby.
Not what you heard before, though.
All right. That might have been what we heard before, right?
Not what we heard before.
What?
It's not what we heard before.
Okay. Look at that. A little trail goes down in there. Holy shit. Wow. Kevin, check this out. We need to go back in there. All right. The dueling flashlights.
Yeah, Alex, how's that one? Going where no man has gone before. Not really, but... You can see Tim's video at Tim Pisano Bigfoot.
No. Fasano.com. Sasquatchevidence.com.
Yeah, but your YouTube channel.
Oh yeah, Fasano Bigfoot Research.
Oh, since
Listen to that. You hear that?
I've seen a gator. I think I'm looking right at a gator.
No, you're not.
Yeah, what is that? Yeah, it's a spider on the rock.
Now tell me, have you ever seen anything like this in Florida?
Not this far south.
Those are river rapids. Hold on.
They don't let you down there? Oh, good. Look at that little guy.
You can get down there. You go down by the side. Here. Hold my camera. Look at those bugs.
I know.
Don't let this fall in the river.
Oh.
Huh?
Where are you going? Oh, you're still recording.
George didn't think I could get down into that cave. You filming me?
Yep.
On my camera?
Yep.
You got me?
Yep.
Who's the best researcher in the world, baby? Yoo-hoo!
Florida Bigfoot investigators.
You gotta believe it. Hold on.
Tim Pisano and the FBI.
Falling into this water.
Yeah, don't fall in.
Getting that?
Yep.
It's like holy water. Yeah, boy. Yee-hee!
Here. Come over here.
What, Kevin?
Come over here.
Come over where? Whoa.
Can you reach the camera?
Oh. Hold on. Got it. Is it still running?
Yeah.
Oh. I just suddenly held a bunch of bugs. Anyway. 14 minutes, huh? Here comes Kevin.
Do you hear that water? The bubbles? It sounds like somebody...
Do what, Kevin?
The bubbles sound like somebody making a noise. It's shaking around.
All right.
All over.
Let's do another shot here.